Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making Japanese Curry Croquette. We pronounce it Korokke. Korokke is a very popular snack in Japan. It's basically a deep-fried seasoned mashed potato. This recipe is a request from one of my viewers. Thank you so much. And here I used the leftover from last week's chicken curry. You can also use meat sauce or cooked minced onion and ground beef. Let's get started. First, peel the potato and cut into 1-inch chunks. Soak in water for a couple of minutes to remove excess starch. Transfer to a frying pan and cover with water. Add a pinch of salt and start heating on medium heat. Put the lid on and cook for 10 minutes or until done. Meanwhile, let's make the blending batter. Crack the egg in a medium-sized bowl. Add in flour and water to make a smooth mixture. Set aside until used. Mash the potato well. Add in leftover curry and mix well. The reason why I use the frying pan is for easier handling. The consistency is not too loose, not too stiff. Just like this. If the mixture is too thick, the final product will be dry and it doesn't taste good. And if the mixture is too soft, it's not suitable for frying. The consistency should be mashed potato. Add salt and pepper to taste. Transfer to a shallow container and even the surface. Chill at least 1 hour. After chilling, it should be easy to handle. Divide into 8 and shape into oval. Today, I made tiny balls for my son's bento lunchbox. Dust with flour all over the surface. Coat with breading butter generously, then blend with Panko breadcrumbs. Squash a little bit and set the panko securely. If you are not sure about the breading is good or not, you can double the dredge. As you can see, dredge breading butter with right hand, squash panko with left hand. You don't have to dredge your fingers. Heat the oil for deep frying to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and deep fry your croquette for a couple of minutes or until golden brown. You just need to cook the outside. And it's done! Crunchy on the outside, soft and creamy inside. You have to have it while it is hot, but be careful not to burn your mouth. Here is a recipe for leftover breading butter. Mix Chinese garlic chives and kimchi. Heat the pan and add in a tablespoon of sesame oil. Pan fry on medium heat until cooked. There you have an easy kimchi pancake. You can replace garlic chives with carrot or onion, anything you want. I don't like to waste anything in my kitchen. Today we made korokke and kimchi pancake. I hope my recipe is helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you liked my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media for daily updates other than the recipes. And go to my website princessbamboo.com for the full recipe and more information. And if you don't know where to find Japanese ingredients and kitchen tools, visit my web store on Amazon. They have pretty much everything and open 24/7. Thanks again and I will catch you in a week. Bye!